topic that we will tackle will be the salivary gland of mammals. Pardon me for my soft voice. It's like 5 a.m. so people are sleeping. I have to stay quiet. So salivary gland of mammals. So this is obviously the oral cavity, pharynx. We're not going through the pharynx. We're just here for the salivary gland first. The rest of the parts will be tackled later on. So according to Hyman, there are 4 on the rabbit and 5 pairs on the cat. First salivary gland is the parotid gland, located ventrad and craniad. So that means ventrad, craniad, obviously nasa head. You won't find salivary glands in the butt. At the base of the pinna of the ear. So this is the ear. That means it's at the base of the ear. Okay, this one. This very distinct white tissue. According to Hyman, it's pink, but it's white. Okay, this is the parotid gland. Next is the submaxillary gland that can be found at the angle of the jaw near the posterior margin of the masseter. So this is the masseter, the chewing muscle. It is at the posterior margin. It is noted as the roundish mass. So this is the roundish mass. Okay, this one. This is the submaxillary gland. So this is the maxilla. This is the masseter. It is at the posterior margin. This one. And my eyes hurt. Oh God. Okay. So in the cat, the beginning of this duck, yada yada yada. We're not going through ducks because this is a cat, not a duck. I'm sorry, I'm sleepy. Sublingual gland. So the sublingual gland is elongated. Jesus Christ. Okay, after giving it much thought, it's sublingual. Sublingual. It's supposed to be under the tongue. And this part has to be clearly dissected so you won't see it. But Hyman describes it as elongated gland. Supposedly, can I find it here? I don't think we can find it inside. It's right next to the submaxillary gland going through here. Or I guess that's what Google says. Yeah, I'm cheating. I'm sorry. So, according to Hyman, the muscles here should be severed in order to see those. Okay. Next is the molar gland. Molar gland is present in the cat only, situated between the skin and the external surface of the mandible. So this is the mandible, right? So the skin and it's right in front of the masseter. So this is the masseter. I don't know if we can see. Focus, bitch. There we go. It's somewhere here. Need much clearing. Sorry. The dissecting kit is still not available because my vetmed friend is still using it. Yup. Anyways. Okay. Somewhere here. In front of the masseter. By the molars. Okay. Okay, once again, after cheating, I have found that the molar gland can be the pound of in here by the molars. Okay. Guys promise me that we will dissect this better when we get to class, okay? But this looks like it, the molar gland. Alright. And I'm sleepy. The infraorbital gland in both cat and rabbit lies in the floor of the orbit. So that means it's right here under the eye. It's infraorbital, so it's inside. So that's 5 pairs of glands. Thank you very much, and guys, please review for the exam. I hope that helps. Thank you.